If your Windows Security Center refuses to open, crashes instantly, or shows a blank screen, you don't need to reinstall Windows or download risky third-party cleanup software. In this video, we are going to fix broken Windows Defender services, corrupted Apex packages, and missing security dependencies using a single native one-click bash script. As an IT administrator, transparency and security come first. Let's download the scripting code text file using given link in description and pin comment. Open the downloaded text file. As you can see, every line uses built-in Windows administrative utilities like restarting Defender core services, updating security definitions, purging corrupted protection history cache, and resetting Windows Security App Registration command line tool. Zero external executables. Go to File tab, click on Save As, rename the file as security.bat, and don't forget to set Save As type to all files. Then click on Save. To run the fix, right-click on the script and select Run as Administrator. Standard privileges will not be able to repair system-level security services. Once the script finishes, you must restart your computer so Windows can reinitialize the reset security components and register the Apex manifest properly. After the reboot, launch Windows Security from your Start menu. As you can see, the dashboard now loads cleanly with full access to virus and threat protections. If this quick admin fix saved your system, hit the like button and subscribe to IT System Admin for more native Windows solutions. Thanks for watching.